today is January 28th, and I am trying to have my first event on February 18th.
I'm flying high, but I got a feeling I'm falling.
But that is my goal, and that is the journey that I will be bringing you on with me from where I am now, like half a tail, and an event deadline. So on top of making a tail, I have to make a flyer for my event, I have to make a website, I have to make a business plan, and just like set myself up for success and not being overwhelmed and looking unprofessional from the beginning. So, I can't think about it too much. One thing at a time. Let's get started. So I need to move this so I can work here and open the window. That's why I'm dressed in like sweats, because I need to crack the window so I have ventilation. Working with like the silicone, so let's do that. I also need something to protect the carpet. And luckily, my roommate just got like big boxes from IKEA, so I'm gonna text her and ask if I can use them. Okay, so this is like actually so perfect. So yeah, if you are making a mermaid tail in an apartment and don't have like a workspace, highly recommend this. Whenever I lug this around, it looks like I have a dead body in it. So this is my sample of what I want my entire tail to be. It looks like really beautiful when it's in the water. So yeah, that's what we're going for. Wish me luck.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through.
Alright, I did one little section. I watched an episode of The Office, and then I started getting hungry. So I just ate an orange, and I'm making some tea. And then I'll get back into it. But it's going well. I messed up on one part a little bit, but it was able to figure it itself out. And I'm just realizing that it's gonna take a long time, and I'm not 100% sure what the outcome is gonna be. But I think it's gonna be dope.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I ran into a roadblock. The next cock that I opened of silicone is white. So I am just gonna stop here, let it cure and dry, and see what, like, this is my sample of the next one. If this dries clear, what it looks like. Yeah. I have decided to go swimming because my pool is open, and I need to practice just like getting back into it and actually being able to swim, because even though, you know, you got that natural ability and certifications and everything, like the fitness and the stamina needs to be there. So I have to make swimming a priority, and I'm like, oh, I'm so tired. But I just need, it's cold outside, but I just need to do it. And really, I am so lucky to even have access to a private pool and a hot tub. That's what's really motivating me. It's like, okay, if I go swimming, I can go in the hot tub. There's also a steam room. Okay, let's go.
I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling, falling for nobody else but you.
Tomorrow.
It is Tuesday, and I am sitting in the Home Depot parking lot because I ran out of silicone yesterday, so I gotta get more. But yeah, it is 7:30 in the morning. Wow, so early. My boyfriend gets up really early to go to work, so I just did too and gotta move on with my day. So let's go get some silicone, shall we?
2 hours later.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Back home at my apartment, and I got the silicone. It was not the silicone I was hoping for. They didn't have the same kind that I was using, but it's okay. Getting a lot of looks at Home Depot this morning, and some guy tried to give me his card, and I was just like, no, I think I need to leave now. I know I'm gonna have to go back, definitely. But yeah, that's where we're at now. It's Thursday and I feel like crap because I'm just like so tired and exhausted from yesterday. Emotionally, I'm like drained and not feeling the best, and I have to pay bills today, and it's just like one of those days. It's just like you know. But I am going to take a bath because I know that baths make me feel better, and I'm gonna read or listen to some soothing music or a podcast or something. And I would go to the hot tub at my community, but I can't eat snacks in the hot tub.
Keep my hands on myself.
I ran out of another tube of silicone and I don't have any more. So we have to go to the store. But first I'm going to take a shower because I look gross and my hair is so dirty. Hello, so it's a few hours later and I'm showered and dressed for the day. I also had a phone call with my future business party event partner, and we're just getting the ball rolling and trying to get this event up and running and planned and booked and completed. So that was a good to just like feel productive and like, okay, it's happening, like something's happening. And I don't even have a tail yet. So priority number one right now is to finish my tail so that I can practice, take pictures to promote the event, and practice more. Going to buy silicone now, I promise. I got the goods! 5 bottles of 100% silicone. This should tide me over for almost the whole thing. I'm hoping the whole thing. So let's get to it.
Coming out of left field. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. I can feel it still.
Well, guess what? Now I've ran out of glitter. So I'm going to go to the craft store and pick up some glitter. But it's been snowing like all day and schools were canceled early. But the roads are fine. And the craft store is not that far. And I still want to go swimming today. So much to do.
Later.
Successfully purchased glitter, and now I'm back home, and John is here.
I'm John.
And we're gonna go swimming!
I'm not gonna wear that.
Okay, good. Yeah, you wear your own bathing suit.
I'm not gonna wear anything.
I can feel it still. Said her mama called the grave digger. Gone with the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might have had your fill, I can feel it still. We can fight a war for peace. Give into that easy living, goodbye to my hopes and dreams. Stop flipping for my enemies. We could wait until the walls come down. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Nothing over now, but I feel it still. I can feel it still.